New at 6, Moody police say a bus driver for Hoover City Schools has been arrested on child pornography charges. Police say 60-year-old Earl Frazier is charged with possession of child pornography. They say the investigation began after a detective in the Internet Crimes Task Force received a tip. Hoover City Schools has called a special school board meeting for tomorrow at 9 a.m. In a statement, school officials say in part, quote, school district authorities are in close communication with law enforcement officials as the investigation continues. The Hoover Board of Education will act on this matter immediately, decisively, and within compliance.